Better say me laugh and do it. Anything me do, you know them can't undo it. Me big time. I'm so proud of myself. Big time. Big time, big time. Me boss up on them, that's what me do. That's what me do. The greatest things in life, them have to say me do. You better say me do. Me still love the whole world in me and still singing it, still making me live.
Good morning, vlog world. You don't know, it's your girl MELICASKYLIFE representing for the team. That view though. Beach right over this, so see rough today. It's a bleaky day. You know, I feel like I look dark, yo. How you doing? How you doing? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're on my channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe, leave a comment below, and show the love. My shipper come through. I'm showing no. I'm still finna see it. Ready? Ready? We can't pick up your fire, so hold on. I try Blackie. The ship. I'm going the wrong way. The ship. Alright, I'll turn on the camera and show you. My ship a pass. Me I see good enough. Alright, this one. That view though. Ship I go down a Montego Bay, got dark when if me go reach a bay before a ship. So guys, I'm walking off the hill. The sea is kind of rough. That's the football field over there. And baitings. I always tell myself today is a good day because you know what? I have the opportunity to do something better. You know? So yesterday mind the power next level. I must learn something from yesterday. But I can do and implement and be a better person today. The lighting though. Guys, thank you so much for staying tuned to my channel. I really appreciate it. Today I'm gonna link Punky them today. So I'm not gonna see Punky them later. Baitings. Swear to God. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna get a drive now and stuff. Me I'm gonna go over to see so you can see it. Good. So I'm gonna do over there. Show now. Then I'll go by the CC because I'm gonna go in a drive now. So later guys, I'm sorry. Hey vlog world, it's lunchtime and stuff. We're going downstairs. Make something can't see you.
I'm too black.
If you black me up, look at all those dimples though. Comment below to see them. Comment below to see dimples. Oh gosh.
I don't.
Guys, so we're going on lunch now. We're gonna get a patty.
Lucky.
You know.
What's up?
Mr. Mark. Yeah, I have my water. I've been losing a lot of weight, and a big part of it is because of the water that I'm drinking, the water intake. I stopped drinking drinks. Like once and twice, me eat tea and drink one drink, but bag juice, soda, and something there. I stop drink overall. I just drink water most of the time these days and stuff. And it also improved my skin. And my skin start grow these days.
Hey, something every buy. Good enough.
What? The brush? The brush?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I also have a facial brush. I don't use it. Tamika bought one the other day. I'm gonna do a review on it on my channel so you guys can see what I use to clean my face. You know, see I have to exfoliate and baitings. You know, good for your face, like if you do it every 3 days or so. If you're gonna do it often. You're wicked, Tamika. But it helps clean out the makeup too, so you can do it every day. Hi. It can be done every day. And stuff. Have you though? Yes, so I'm gonna start with some facial stuff and you know what? I'm gonna buy up some things, some face and bathing. Come to you? Where you eat?
Something there on my bed.
Curry?
Rundown.
So, you never curry?
You might say rundown curry?
Curry rundown, like I was look yellow like a curry.
And the coconut milk.
Why me think a curry?
You can't cook.
Where there with me a cook? Ask Punky
My
about
house
me.
cooking too.
Ask Punky about me.
I have not heard.
Hi guys, how you doing? Find somebody in there.
So,
Going in the elevator. If it breaks down, Tamika go push me up as so.
I will let that one. I mean, right. Look at you too.
You go walking like that. Now, so Tamika, me did want the outfit of the day. Now, I'm come back up and do it today.
Not in the mood.
You just go with the camera. You're not fit. Me alone you do it.
So what?
You can do it too, but you see not have no clothes. You're naked?
Yes.
Guys, we're gonna get lunch, so peace out until we get back. Okay. We're leaving work now. She quint off. She quint off secretively. But me tell her say she ever look out for you differently. I'm not roll like that. So guys, we're heading home now. Hopefully I'm gonna see not hopefully. No, I'm gonna call her. I'll link up with Punks and Beatings and Kim. Be Rollins. And so. You know, see, I don't have no credit. So guys, we're at the nail salon. Punky and Kim do their nails. I wait for them to done and then I go home. Punky done for already. Say hi vlog world.
Hello vlog world.
Show them the nails. Set up it so. Set it up so. Yes, so when they have money. I go and chill and stuff. So I'm gonna show you Kin and then I'm gonna end the vlog. Kin right there. She go watch her and them and stuff. And then Kin right there. Melika right there. Punky over there. Come on in, so Punky. So yeah. Tell them to please subscribe.
Please subscribe to MELICASKYLIFE TV.
Good afternoon, vlog world. What up? You don't know, it's your girl MELICASKYLIFE representing. You know, welcome to my channel. If you're on my channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button and show the love. Now, afternoon. Yes. Now I'm actually on my way to lunch now. That view though. I just decided that I'm gonna take myself out for lunch. I'm going to a restaurant on the hip strip. I don't know, so we're roll. You have to take care of yourself. Nobody's gonna do it if you don't start doing it yourself. Okay, guys? So that's what I'm about to do. Oh, what's this? No. Gone. So wicked. You know, so I think the woman will the elevator for me as I reach her door. The elevator door lock and the woman gone down and open back the door. She terrible, man. But I say go, but I'm away for lunch. Yes, guys, I have lost some weight, but I need to show you what I've been doing and so on. This week I've done much work because it's around Christmas time now. You don't know that go and stuff. Alright, so I'm out of school now, so I have a little free time on my hands. So I will be posting more get dark regular and stuff. So guys, I'm going for lunch now. Yeah, so when I'm there, I'll tune in. Okay. Oh, so guys, I'm actually at the location right now. It's very beautiful and just a chill day, looking on the beach, having lunch, you know. The view though, I need you guys to take in the view again. Very nice view. So guys, I'm actually inside now because I'm gonna take my order and stuff. So I'm gonna look on the menu to take my order and then do that, and then I'll fall in love. Nigga fall in love. Nigga fall in love. Nigga fall in love. That nipples though. Finished devouring the food. I must say my belly full, and even though it's a kind of healthy type of meal, I must say I'm comfortable with it, you know. So yeah, I don't eat, so I'm gonna go back up now and stuff. Yeah, that's it. Maybe I'm tuning back later and stuff. Hi guys, I'm home now from a long day. How this food from my mouth? Yep. From a long day. I'm gonna do Stephanie's hair. This is her before pic. Before. And you're gonna see her after pic. Me go shell it. Batings. Keep it locked to SkyLife TV.
It is
SkyLife TV.
SkyLife TV.
I want me tongue just list bad.
SkyLife
TV. Yo, come to me. Yo, how I do them? Yo, so keep it locked. This is MELICASKYLIFE from SkyLife TV. I'm finally finished with Stephanie's hair. Pretty like a money, clean like a yai ballish, neat. Anyways, look at the closure. No, sir. I should not be doing the job that I'm doing now. I should be a hairdresser, cosmetologist. Neat. I'm not telling Stephanie, watch her. You don't know if you have natural hair or creamy hair. Damn, Melika, on point. It's clean. Nails, ear did. Check. Nails did. Check. Face pretty. Check. Teeth white. Check. Anyway, guys, this is where we'll end this vlog. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe and show the love. Thank you so much for stopping by MELICASKYLIFE TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.